Hello, Charlotte here with the installation of the Carat extension sleeve. What we need to do is, if you've already put the lid inside the dome, remove this and then ensure that the dome seal is firmly in position on top of the dome. And then we need to install the Carat extension sleeve seal into the actual sleeve. Now this is a very tight fit, so it's important that you just start in one place and slowly work your way around, pushing the seal into position. The telescopic lid is then inserted into the Carat extension sleeve. As already mentioned, this is a tight fit, obviously, because the seal has to provide a watertight seal. So you'll need to make sure that the lid is pushed in to the Carat extension sleeve. And then both the extension sleeve and the telescopic lid can then be installed on top of the dome. Again, just pushing into position and then just checking that everything fits neatly and is installed correctly. We can then just take the lid section of the telescopic lid and push this back into position, and then we have the completed dome with extension sleeve and telescopic lid.